Hey everyone, today we're doing 50 seconds of shadowing practice with a scene from Spider-Man No Way Home.
The goal? Speak like Tom Holland, friendly, energetic, and casual, while practicing English pronunciation and rhythm.
Here's a line from Peter Parker. Okay, I messed up. Big time. But I'm gonna fix this, I promise.
Now repeat after me. Try to copy his tone and pauses. Okay, I messed up. Big time. But I'm gonna fix this, I promise.
Remember to add small pauses, contractions, and a friendly tone, just like Tom.
Let's try it one more time together. Okay, I messed up. Big time. But I'm gonna fix this, I promise.
Great job. Keep practicing by shadowing short scenes and you'll sound more natural and energetic like Tom Holland in no time.
Next time, we'll do another 50-second scene. Same goal. Fun, fast, and fluent English practice.